am back with another new topic. Today's topic is about is it necessary that your profession should be related to your education? Is it necessary? No, not so. Your profession can be anything you like. Is it not necessary? Is it not mandatory that you do the businesses or the job just related to your education? There is no hard and fast rules like that. Yes, if you are interested into it, then there is nothing wrong in it. But if your heart is not there into there is no meaning of doing that work. You cannot give up on your dreams. You cannot hold on your desires just for the sake of society's validation. Education is the source of gaining knowledge, learning new skills. Education helps you further into life, to do well in life. And it is not forcing you to do your work just around the degree you have in your hand. There is no reason of doing things in which your heart is not there. You have to be happy in whatever profession you are. If you are not happy from within doing that work, you cannot be succeed in that work, in that field. You will feel like a burden every day. You will feel like torturing yourself every day. You will be in a stress every day. And these are not the good sign of success. Everybody says that struggle makes you stronger. Yes, true. But you have to choose the limits. You have to choose that in what field you are struggling. There is no meaning of struggling in the field where your heart is not there, where your struggle is going to take you. So, struggle makes us stronger. It is absolutely true. But we have to choose between the struggle and self-respect. If you are struggling at the place where your self-respect comes between, you have to choose your self-respect. Because self-respect comes very first. You cannot give up on your self-respect. So if you are struggling at that place where your self-respect comes between, leave that place. Leave it there only. Then struggle, then grow, then you achieve what you want to achieve in life. So मैं सिर्फ यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि जहाँ पर आपकी सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट की बात आए उसको पीछे मत करिए. And I also strongly believe that struggle makes us stronger. But the only thing is that we have to choose our struggle wisely. We have to know that if we are struggling in anything, is it worth doing? When struggle becomes a torture, you should leave it there at that moment only. So I hope that you will understand what I am trying to say. And do let me know your opinions about these things. And subscribe my channel if you feel like subscribing.